everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an apartment tour. I'm finally gonna give you an apartment tour. There's not much to see, so it's gonna be very fast. But let's get into it. So first off, when you walk in, we have the living room slash kitchen area. I would assume this is where you would put a kitchen table if you had one. I find that it's too small of a space for me to put a table here. I could put that table here like this, but I just think it divides the room in not a good space. So here we have the kind of kitchen area, entryway. Sorry, that's my trash I forgot to take out. Shoes, bags, a nice painting, a ceiling fan with some lights. I should probably turn the light on. And then I have these hooks for all my stuff. And then giant closet space. I'm not going to show you it because it's messy, but all my boxes and bags and cleaning stuff is in there. Then you go into the kitchen area. Small kitchen. Nice big sink. Dirty, clean dishes. I have struggled with putting these away. This area ignore the dirty stuff. Washer, stove, and then utensils and obviously food. Refrigerator. I'm not going to actually show you what's in my fridge because it's not impressive. So I first originally had that table, and then I fought my parents for my original desk, which was at home, and I was like, Mom, what are you going to do with the desk? She's like, I don't know. And I'm like, you already have an office desk, so let me just take mine. She's like, okay, fine. So I finally got my desk along with this lovely table, which has my school stuff, my apartment stuff, random stuff, the worms that like to keep murdering each other, which I put lists in. And then this is kind of like the living room space, which is more of like my school office space. Printer, school books and art stuff, and then like miscellaneous stuff down here. And then you come to the balcony, which I said in an earlier video, I can't clean the stupid window because there's a glass here and there's a glass on the other side. And the dirty stuff is on the inside of the second glass. So when I came to the apartment, I cleaned it. I cleaned the windows. So they are clean from what I can do. So this is majority of my view. Sun comes up over there in the mornings. That's where I take like my pretty morning shots. And again, this window is disgusting. I have my plants. I'm actually surprised that they're still alive. That one is struggling a little bit. He had a hard time, but these two are thriving. So I turned them away from the sun because they were getting too, you know. So yes. So then here is my little like reading corner and sitting. I haven't really used it a lot actually, but yeah. And then I have my BTS stuff, inspirational verses, the TARDIS, and my desk, which is messy, apologize. But my EKG strips, woohoo, my desk. This is why I like this desk, because it has a pull-out drawer. I can use my mouse and keyboard. So from there, and then let me show you, this is what front looks like. So then you have the kitchen, living room, kind of a little sitting area. Then down this hallway, you have my bedroom and the bathroom. And you have this storage closet, which houses, it's horribly messy, but my towels, my sheets, makeup, light bulbs. That's actually Michi's, but he's not using it, so I just put it in there. And a cleaning bucket. Vacuum is in there, more storage in there. My bathroom, which is really nice. It's okay. It's not how I would do a bathroom, but it's okay. I have my little starfish up here with my random lantern I need to get batteries for the candle in there. Hello. Then you go into my bedroom, which, not a lot. I do finally have my posters up. I have my Turkish poster that I went to, Berserker, Ruby, Harry Potter, and then this is Doctor Who, but the sun glare is on it. Doctor Who. My TV, my Finally got a TV. My bookshelf with my movies and then my books. My favorite books that I took. Crocheting, the animals I wanted to take from memory. Oh, and my OnlyFans wall. It's my OnlyFans wall. Closet, which I won't show you because it's horribly messy. Yes, I have a thing about putting trash cans on top of things, if you know me. This is actually Michi, by the way. He's in here. I'll show you guys him real quick. I do need to check on him anyway, just to make sure he's still alive. I checked on him a couple days ago, and he was good. But I really don't want to disturb him a lot. Oh dear, he is. He's dead asleep, so I'm not going. Oh, really? Just come when I'm waking my bearded dragon up. BTS posters that I still need to put up. I had them up and then I didn't like their layout on the wall, so I need to redo it. My bed, which is a blow-up mattress. I'm still fighting for my bed, so I have to inflate this thing every night, which is great. Then my little table with all my stuff on it. So yeah, it's my apartment tour, so I can actually finally walk around my apartment now and film videos, and you'll know where I am. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.